So we have a great panel today, and we hope to keep you guys entertained. I just had the opportunity to talk to my panelists for about 45 minutes, and really quite an engaging and interesting conversation. So we'll try to relay some of the stuff that was discussed before, and hopefully a lot more. But we're all going to learn. This is a learning process for both you, the audience, and us on the panel. So let's just try to have fun in the next 35 minutes or so. So, by the way, we'll leave anywhere between 7 to 10 minutes for questions, for Q&As, because I'm sure you guys have tons of questions for all of us here. So we have all the way to my right, we have Ngozi, who is from Nigeria, so a very interesting business model, and he'll get into it in a few minutes. And then we have Manav, who is from India, and then we have Veta, who is from Latvia, but operating currently in Poland and Georgia. So why don't you guys just start by introducing yourselves really briefly, and then talk about your background a little bit, your business model, what you guys involved in, and the countries you're in, and both the business model in terms of consumer versus small business, as well as whether you're a marketplace or balance sheet lenders or peer-to-peer.
Okay. So hi, Ngozi Dozie. So Onefi is a consumer lender, so we make loans on our own balance sheet. We do a mixture of SME lending based on volume of POS transactions, but our main thrust is loans via mobile phone. So you download an app from the Google Play Store, you fill out a form, and we say yes or no, wire the funds to your account. We do, on average, about 200 loans a day. Based currently in Nigeria only, but looking to expand into Francophone Africa, so Côte d'Ivoire, Senegal, and then potentially Ghana.
Hi, I'm Manav. In fact, Rubique, we do consumer loans as well as small business loans. We recently, in fact, last week, we crossed 100,000 loans applications. We have just crossed $150 million disbursement. We are a marketplace, lending marketplace. Essentially, what we do is we work on just streamlining the process for the banks. So we serve a collaborative banks with the financial institution. And so essentially, all the algorithms is telling you what is the right fit for you. So we try to match the lenders and borrowers depending on the risk profile of that borrower and the lenders. And we, essentially, it's influencer-led model. So we have a lot of partners who download our app, and they transact on our behalf using leveraging technology.
My name is Veta. I'm representing here Vandu Finance Group, which is located in Latvia. And our main business is issuing loans in Georgia and Poland at the moment, planning to expand in the next future. And I'm representing today a peer-to-peer marketplace, Swapper, where we offer investors to invest in those consumer loans issued by our group in Georgia and Poland. We launched our business recently, basically 4 months ago, and it's going very good. We are accepting investors from all over the Europe, individuals and the companies as well.
All right, thank you guys. Obviously, I mean, I just gave a brief talk before on with a very strong emphasis on compliance, which is the U.S. model, as you guys know. Even though Mr. Trump has vouched that he's going to reduce compliance by about 75%, we'll see how that turns out. But in terms of from your respective countries, I'm really fascinated by the various banking infrastructure, lending infrastructure, licensing models. And I'll start with you, Manav, because you're probably coming from one of the most sophisticated countries in the world in terms of banking infrastructure and compliance. And it has been a country that has been closed pretty much to anybody international that wants to get in. So why don't you talk to us about the infrastructure a little bit and how that applies to you and how that has influenced your business model?